taking these steps down, building a wall here, putting the steps back up.
You gotta watch your language, dude.
Why is that? Did I get suspended from YouTube?
I think so. I'm not sure.
You can't curse on YouTube?
So wait, what do we do? Explain this again?
We're taking this wall, we're taking the steps down, building a wall, and then we're putting the steps back up, putting a skirt board on it.
All right, Mike, explain what we're doing. What are these things called?
The stringers.
These are the stringers. We have no more stairs. So what we got to trace these. They only had 2 stringers, but we need 3.
Yeah, I'm gonna do 3 because 12 inch on center, 16 on center, whatever is a 36-inch span. So I'll do 3 of them. I'll just trace this one. This one's in pretty good shape. I'll trace it to the 2 new ones, and then we'll build a wall here. And then we're gonna build a wall here. Probably stop it here and put a pitch handrail like halfway or a quarter way or whatever, just for a little pizzazz. And then we're gonna laminate this wall with 1/2-inch sheetrock eventually. Laminate that wall with 1/2-inch sheetrock eventually. I don't feel like getting rid of the trash. We'll build the wall, and then we're gonna put up our stringers, put on our treads, our risers.
What are the treads and the risers? These are gonna be the treads, right?
Yeah, those are the treads, and then the risers is a piece like that. So I got a piece of 3/4 pine plywood. It was like the same price as regular plywood, so whatever. I'll cut them to fit, and then once we do all that, we'll put. I got 1x12s pre-primed for our skirt boards going up, but I probably won't be able to do that until I sheetrock it. I don't have the sheetrock here, so.
All right, tell me about the thing that you forgot upstairs.
The horses, to put the things on there so I can trace them real easy.
So Mike's gonna have to
Put a ladder up.
put a ladder
and
up
just walk
because he
up.
forgot to check what was upstairs before he ripped the stairs down.
Yeah.
And
We'll see what happens.
That'll be fun. Nicely done, Mike. We got our
Stringers cut out.
stringers.
You use the circular saw to a certain point.
Well, first we trace this, right?
Yeah,
Trace this onto the new stringers.
yeah, and we'll reuse that one in the
I'll
center.
reuse that one, right?
But you take a circular saw to your line, and then since it's a circular blade, it doesn't make the whole cut. So unless you go too far past and you're weakening your thing, you're weakening your stringer, you take a little jigsaw and you cut that last little bit off. Because since it's a circular blade, it leaves a little piece in that corner. So I just finished jigsawing all the little pieces off, and then we'll hang the stringers with stringer hangers, and then
Guy wears Merrill's instead of Red Wing.
yeah, you're gonna have to edit that because we're not sponsored by Merrill.
Starting to wrap up the day. What do we got going on up here, Mike?
Hacking up this lane, maybe to cut it short.
Not too bad though. Stairs looking nice. New wall. And now I gotta go brave the blizzard.